Welcome to Model Context Protocol Mastery from Fundamental to the Production. This hands-on course is designed to help you deeply understand and implement the open standard that is transforming how AI systems securely connect with tools, data, and enterprise infrastructure. Here are two reasons why this course stands out. First, you will master the full MCP architecture from client and server to host and transport layers, so you truly understand how structured AI communication works under the hood. Second, you will move beyond the theory and build production style systems that eliminate brittle custom integration and replace them with a standardized scalable protocol. Your instructor, Bajrang Chapola, is a technical architect with 15 years of experience designing enterprise-grade systems. He is the founder of AI agentic startup Agentic and the creator of enterprise agentic AI platform Eagle, which powers the enterprise to process automation and intelligent workflows. This course focuses entirely on mechanics of the model context protocol, how to securely expose tools, prompt, resources in a structured and scalable way. We begin with MCP fundamentals and core primitives. You will understand client-server architecture, transport layers, STDIO, and streamable HTTP. Then you will build your first MCP server from scratch, test it using MCP inspector, and connect it to the real host like cloud desktop. Next, you will design an advanced CRM style based system with multiple tools, standardized prompt, and enterprise grade resources. You will also build your own custom MCP client so you understand both sides of the protocol interaction. And finally, you will containerize and deploy your MCP server with Docker and Docker Compose, bringing your architecture closer to the production readiness. By the end of this course, you will know how to design, build, connect, and deploy MCP system that powers structured agentic AI workflows. If you are ready to stop writing endless custom integration and start applying a universal AI communication standard to your AI project, join us and start building production-ready MCP system today.